Hi guys! Welcome back to another video. So for today, we will do an unboxing. As you can see from the title, it's an unboxing of Huawei P40 Pro. Yan. Yan. So, ayan. Little backstory kung bakit kami bumili nito is because late gift ko to kay Nia. Ayan. So, may happy na naman dyan somewhere na nasa baba. So, let's do this! Before natin i-unbox yung mismong phone, papakita ko lang yung mga freebies no Huawei kapag bumili ka ng Huawei P40 Pro. So, ito yung mga freebies. 2 gift box. Ayan. 2 gift box. Isang speaker. Let's start with the gift box. So, this one. So, ang laman ng ating gift box. Ito na lang yung pinili ko kasi yung isa mas magagamit namin ito. I think. Kasi dun sa isang choice. So, ayan. So, merong ring na inalalagay sa back of the phone. Then, monopod. Gaming something. Ayan. And then, light. USB light. Ayan. Yun yung mga freebies na same as the second one. And next is this Huawei mini speaker. So this one, it comes with the speaker and a charger. So, connected na siya dun sa mismong phone. Yeah, okay. Ito yung speaker niya. You can see. Ayan yung button niya. Tapos nasa likod yung charging port. Kasama siyang charger. Wire lang pala. Dami naman kaming adapter. Then, pwede kasi siya nakahang. So, meron siyang frame ganito. Kasi pwede siya nakahang. Ayan. Super nice. There you go. Kasama nung binili ko na Huawei P40 Pro is this Huawei wireless charger. Ayan. Para iwas sira ng charging wire. Kasi, ang hirap ang bilis kasi masira ng wire, lalo na pagka ginagamit ng naka-charge. So, eto na yung wireless charger. Comes like that. This one. Yan, may nakalagay na Huawei sa gitna. Hindi lang kita kasi may cover siya na plastic. But yeah, comes with kasama niyan is yung wire and the adapter. So, let's get to the main event, the Huawei P40 Pro. So, pag-open you. Yes, there you go, girl. So, ayan, open na siya kasi sinet up ko siya kanina. But, yes. So, come with that. So, ito yung pinili namin, yung Silver Frost. Well, ako lang pala kasi ako lang nagpunta sa Huawei store. Silver Frost. Ayan. So nice. See? There you go. Then, kasama niyan is the manuals and yung pin. Manual. And also free case. Lagay na natin yung case niya. Then comes with that is the adapter. Then wires and an earphone. There you go, girl. So yeah. See? It's so nice. So that's it for a quick unboxing of Huawei P40 Pro. So I will insert some clips here ng video, ng quality ng camera. Siguro gagawa din ako ng review kung kung sulit yung pera nyo para dito sa Huawei P40 Pro na to. I will insert some clips kasi ngayon pa lang tinry ko na talaga siya. So, ngayon pa lang tinry ko na siya. The camera. Look at this, guys. Look. Look. So, very famous yung Huawei P40 Pro sa, I don't know if it's just the Pro, pero very famous siya dun sa 50 times na zoom. So, let's see. I already got some photos kanina. Look. Sa labas namin to, may puno ng avocado. See? See that? Girl, kita yung dahon, girl. And just 20 pa lang yan. 20. See? Let's check. There. 45. Well, wala namang makikita. 50. OMG! Look at that! Wow. First impression is so nice. Very nice. Doing good. So, let's see sa mga susunod na araw kung anong kalalabasan ng sa mga susunod na weeks or araw kung anong kalalabasan ng first impression and ng review natin sa Huawei P40 Pro. So makikita natin kung very sulit ba yung pera nyo pag bumili kayo ng Huawei P40 Pro. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Mag-comment na kayo ng suggestions nyo on the comment box below. So yeah, that's it for today. Bye guys!